The world no longer operates by the old rules. While the masses still use outdated thought software from the 20th century, the elite have installed entirely new operating systems. This isn't about the distant future, it's about the reality right now. If you don't restructure your mindset, you won't just be left behind, you will become invisible. To dominate the digital age, you need a radical upgrade. Here are the 5 mental operating systems used by the world's most powerful thinkers to stay ahead of everyone. Prepare to delete everything you thought you knew. We are diving deep into the core mechanics of success that allow you to thrive where others see only chaos. System 1. First principles thinking. It's about stripping every problem down to its most basic truths until only the fundamental building blocks remain, leaving no room for assumptions. Stop relying on analogy or how things have always been done. When you break the mold and see the raw materials, you gain the power to innovate from scratch. Don't just copy the best, understand why they are the best. By mastering the core elements, you escape the trap of experience and the mediocrity of following the crowd. Elite thinkers don't imitate, they create from ground zero. This system gives you the breakthrough capability and the authority of a leader who actually knows the truth. Mastering first principles means you no longer fear new challenges. You have the tools to deconstruct any obstacle and rebuild it into an unfair advantage for your goals. System 2. Probabilistic thinking. In a world of uncertainty, viewing events as fixed outcomes is a fatal error. You must learn to see the world in percentages. Think of life like a game of poker, not chess. You don't control the cards you're dealt, but you do control how you calculate the odds of winning. By mapping out potential scenarios and their likelihood, you remove emotional extreme from failure. You aren't guessing anymore. You are optimizing for the most probable path to success. Certainty is an illusion that breeds complacency. When you embrace probability, you gain true freedom because you have already prepared for every significant variable life might throw. This mindset allows you to manage risk like a master. You stop chasing guarantees and start building a portfolio of high probability bets that eventually guarantee your victory. System 3. Noise filtering and information leverage. In the digital age, information is cheap, but attention is expensive. You must be ruthless about what you let in. Most of what you read and hear is pure noise. High performers ignore 99% of data to find the 1% of signals that drive real results. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing less of what doesn't matter. Deep focus is your most valuable asset. Protect it with your life and your career. Become an expert at saying no to the trivial. When you filter out the garbage, your mind becomes a precision instrument capable of producing massive leverage with minimal effort. The goal is to become an information sniper. You don't need more news, you need better filters. That's how you become a specialist with an unbeatable competitive edge. System 4. Anti-fragility. Most people want to be resilient, but resilience is just surviving. Anti-fragility means you actually get stronger every time things go wrong. Think of a flame that grows fiercer when the wind blows. When the world is in chaos, the anti-fragile person finds new ways to profit and expand their influence. Stop fearing volatility and start using it as fuel. Every shock to the system is an opportunity to outpace your competitors who are hiding in fear of change. Building an anti-fragile life means designing systems that benefit from disorder. You become unbeatable because your very foundation is built to thrive on the pressure of reality. This is how you build a steel mindset. You don't just endure the storm, you become the storm. Turn every setback into a strategic move toward your ultimate goal. System 5. Personal compound interest. Forget the quick wins and overnight success myths. The real power lies in the massive accumulation of knowledge over a decade. Invest in skills that stack on top of each other. Every hour spent learning today pays out dividends for the rest of your life, growing your power exponentially. Escape the trap of the daily grind by having a vision that spans decades. This is how you build financial and mental freedom that can never be taken. By choosing to be a long-term player, you win by default while everyone else burns out. Your legacy is built on the daily habits of a refined mind. These operating systems are only valuable if you activate them. Don't just watch this video. Execute these principles. Your commitment to change starts with one single action. Comment below with the one system you will install today. Join our community of winners, not dreamers. The upgrade begins now. It's time to take your throne.